Welcome to Zaire Air. Today we're doing a ride-along flight, Santani to Pending. So Pending's 118 miles from Santani on the 170 radio. Be just under an hour en route. Hope you enjoy.
Alright, so we're loaded with a lot of rice. How many grains do you think that is of rice?
Do our runway chart brief here. Looks like the runway inspection is due tomorrow, so we'll need to inspect the runway on the ground today. NOTAM says sun shadows till 7:10 a.m., but we're well past that time. So Pending, we already have our frequency in, elevation's 2,300. Length is 415 meters by 12 meters. Surface is grass over gravel with markers. Wind time 10:30, so we have to be land before 10:30. Precipitation, no, not allowed to land precipitation. So this is a 5% touchdown zone that goes to 7 to 9, back to 7% slope. Peak point is 3,100 over the ridge. Okay, and our committal point has an altitude of 2,600 over the ridge. Altitudes are set. Go around is a left turnout, back out the valley. Hazards and obstacles and remarks. Approach follows terrain closely. Runway and approach path located in a very narrow valley. Angled approaches not allowed due to limited space available for go around at committal point. 2 to 3% side slope to the south, right on landing. Top 50 meters, 5% side slope to the south. Squishy spots, midfield, and top 100 meters after rain. And there's no landing weight restriction with takeoff or minus 200 kilograms for takeoff. So on departure, we got a weather report from the village saying it was good, but just a couple minutes ago I got a message saying that there's light drizzle now and clouds. So we'll go check it out. We can't land there with rain or any precipitation. There's another runway close by that's still open. Oh, we're still getting a lot of rain in here. Charlie Lima. Lima. Saya atas Pending akan putar-putar sedikit karena ada hujan.
Baik, Pak, akan putar di atas Pending karena ada hujan.
Charlie Lima. Oh, heat's off. We're in high idle. Towel is locked. Flap speed, flaps coming down. Putting right rudder in case we have to go around. Off ignition. Runway is clear but wet. And we can't land in the rain, so. There's too much rain, we're gonna go around. Power 46, inside, outside. So we could go to another airport and wait, but it looks like it's going to clear up here, so I'm just going to circle for a few minutes. 75 Charlie Lima masih putar-putar atas Pending. Tunggu untuk hujan berhenti.
Baik, Pak.
Runway looks like they haven't cut it in a while. Alright, it's not clearing up. I'm gonna head over here to Sangmata. We can't land in the rain there, but we'll see. If it's not raining, we can land and wait there. If not, we'll head over to Yapil.
75 Charlie Lima, masih hujan depending saya akan coba landing Sangmata. Kalau hujan habis sana bisa landing Sangmata.
Baik Pak.
Sangmata Charlie 5 masih ada gerimis di sana?
Di Sangmata sini sudah berhenti, tidak ada hujan gerimis, pilot.
Oke, saya akan landing di sana dan tunggu sampai pending. Karena masih gerimis di pending, tidak bisa.
Ditunggu. Selamat datang, pilot.
Okay, so Sangmata, elevation is 3,050, key point 35, which we're at 33, we'll climb up to 35. Middle, a short final before the cliff, right turnout. 487 meters by 13 wide. Cannot land in precipitation, but yeah, it's stopping over here. We're at 35. Winds, frequently a 9/4 inch tailwind on final with double updrafts. One on mid final and one on short final. Be ready to give away approach if too windy. Surface is gravel, broken rock, and clay mixture with sparse grass. Can be slippery after the rain. Cell tower just south of the runway. Alright, here's our key point ridge. There's that little village. There's our final. We're right at 35. Torque's at 9. Fly at 65. Overshot a little. Correcting. Small cloud, but I can see through it. 65. There's center line. Speed's on. Torque set. PSI 600 set. 4-knot tailwind. Powered back. Okay. The rain is stopped. So we coming up on committal or committed.
Lima, Charlie Lima on the ground, Sangmata.
Lima on the ground, Sangmata.
Charlie Lima.
We'll give it a few minutes and we can see over there. There's pending over there. Shouldn't take too long. Ring should stop. We should be able to go deliver our load. But let's go check out Sangmata. Hello. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Bulan untuk bangunan. Sidik mau? Mau.
Tadi hujan itu sudah.
Oh, ini baru?
Ini baru ini. Pagi ini.
pagi
malam
ini.
ini. Ya,
Oh.
begini. Angin kencang baru. Angin kencang tiup begini, putar begini baru.
Angin besar.
Udah roboh ini.
Wow.
Macam kebun ini. Macam kebun di atas seperti
Di pohon-pohon yang jatuh sana. Dari
angin yang putar.
dari angin.
Angin yang bikin seperti kebun saja.
Tapi rumah sini masih ada atap, itu baik.
Ada dapur-dapur sudah bongkar.
Sudah ada yang luar?
Ya.
Ada bongkar kan mereka ada.
Oh,
Mereka ada
satu
bikin
saja.
pohon. Satu saja.
Satu saja.
Satu. Ini angin tiup
Oh.
begini.
Oh ya.
Ini semua.
Dari bawah naik.
Sudah mereka sekolah begitu,
Ya.
baru sekolah begitu baru. Mohon maaf,
Oh,
kami ada
ujian. Oh,
Ya.
tidak ganggu sekolah.
Ya benar.
Ada ujian.
Masyarakat lewat
Oh,
jalan ini.
saya ganggu.
Bukan. Masyarakat lewat jalan ini.
Oh. Here's the kitchen. Yeah?
Itu Ando Afi. Dengan dia punya mama bersama dia ini.
Ya. Anak mantu juga ya?
Iya, itu.
Sudah pintar.
Itulah doanya.
Sudah pintar alat itu ya?
Kita kali ini.
Oh yeah. Straightening out the nails. Old piece of wood.
Enak. Ya, namun kita nak tahu.
Mantap. Well, it looks like the rain stopped at Sangmata, but now there's clouds.
Baik saja.
Hello. Lucu sekali.
There we go. Torques at 44. Go up to 46. Pitching for 65 knots. Torques at 46. Landing looks open.
Terbaik lah boleh nak kan lah.
Maria je hari nak mandi kau.
Mari. Nak hari dah nak ni. Kita ya nak masuk. Kira saja ni lah mau. Mau apa? Tahu tak? Iya ke kabila lah badi yoki. Leher mangino pula. Saya pedeng di mau.
Ya dia.
Ada aku tak ni. Apa? Tidak.